So, ayan. Hello, cuz. Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Ayun. Impromptu message to kasi kagabi gumawa na ako tapos hindi ko na-upload. Salamat naman So, ayun. Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Don't know what would I say. Grabe. Let me start with saying to you na happy 18th birthday. Thank you. Thank you and thank you for that memories na we've shared together. Though, ang late-late lang nung time nating dalawa. Pero, it really meant a lot to me na yung gano'n na all of a sudden nagkaroon tayo ng conversation. Kasi we've been apart for almost ilang years. Ewan ko na, basta years, diba? And then, all of a sudden magkakaroon tayo ng conversation pero walang awkward moment. Parang ganon. So, I'm very thankful for that. And I'm very thankful for you na I've shared to you my life, my memories, and basta, alam mo na yun. Tears, joy, laughters, alam mo na yun, di ba? Nung mga times na yun. So, yun. I'll treasure it for lifetime. And I thank you talaga. It really meant a lot to me, those memories. Ayun. So, ayun. I feel sad though kasi hindi ako makakapunta sa party mo. Yung, again, I missed another chapter, another treasured chapter of your life. Wala na naman ako. So, yun. Salamat naman And then, I am happy for you kasi you're now at your legal age, a young lady, a young woman. Ayun, nasa sa'yo na yung corona, te. Andyan na sa'yo. Yun. Ikaw na. Sige, ikaw na. Ikaw na may corona. Tapos yun. Enjoy each single moment na each single opportunity na pwede mong mag-grab. Grab it agad. Don't miss it. Make the most out of it. Yun. Good luck sa atin. Good luck sa'yo, sa career mo. And I know you do have the guts and nuts. So, make the most out of it. Ayun. God bless. God bless to your family. Regards na pala sa kanila Ayun. I'm always here for you. Just text me, call me, PM me, anything. Always here for you to listen to your problems, to share with your laughter, sadness, happiness. Just text me. Keep in touch, okay? Tapos, ayun. I won't make it too long further kasi this is your night. Ayun. Be a princess. Enjoy it. Be a star. Be who you are. Nasa yung gabi. Nasa yung corona. Ayun. So, I love you. I missed you. Ayun. And, happy 18th birthday ulit. Ayun. Good luck. And, sana ando pa rin yung connection natin in the future. Sana magkita tayo ulit. And I know we will. So, bye-bye. Ingat.